to know when you love Minecraft. When you're getting shot by a skeleton right off the freaking bat. Alright, here we go. Ah, woo, dodge him. Ooh. What? He has an enchanted bow! No wonder he hurts! Ow! Ow! Good thing I'm peaceful. Ow! 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 And you go to the top of the mountain. Whoo! 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 Scaled! Whoo! You just been juked! Woo! Ow! 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 Please don't hit me. Woo! 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 Yeet! Imagine I just died right there. That would have been hilarious. But what a great idea to start up. Stop! Stop! Woo! Oh! 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 The dodges! The MLG skills! Woo! 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 Dodge him. Dodge him. Dodge him. Dodge him. Dodge him. So what an interesting. Gotta dodge him. Gotta. No! No! There's no way he can shoot me up here. There's absolutely. He's like, where did he go? 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 I'm climbing up the mountain. The mountain. Yes! Bro! Why is there a zombie? Why do you have armor? Alright, let me kill you real fast. Ow! Jeez, you hurt! Ow! Ow! Stop! I'm just gonna let you attack me! Stop! Ah! My Minecraft! No! Oh, crafting table. Ooh, look how nice that is. Bro, did any of you hear that sound when I jumped on that? It was like, I'm trying to do it again. Kind of like somebody was like firing a machine gun. Stop! 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 I'm trying to mine wood. Just leave me alone. Ah! 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 Real fast, real fast, real fast, real fast. Yo, what a shot. Freaking hate skeletons! Get to the top of the tree, gotta get to the top of the tree, gotta get to the top of the tree. I'm on my way. Let's go into my inventory. Now I can just like relax because these crickets. Skeletons annoying. Jiminy cricket. Jiminy crickets are skeletons annoying. I sound like an old person. Jiminy cricket. Aren't skeletons just a real pain in the booty? No, like an old person. Sorry for the complete quietness. I'm just like trying to relax after I just screamed. If you guys saw the other video, the Roblox video, yeah, I kind of did that today. So that was very tiring to do. So let's try to do this. Yeet, 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 yeet. Yes, I did it. So into there, it just feels so weird playing Minecraft on PC. That's why I'm so bad, guys, when I'm playing on PC. On PC! Alright, we're gonna go show that creeper. Or, not the creeper, the skeleton, what's up. We're gonna show him what's up. You messing with me now? Ooh, sunset. That means all the creepers are gonna burn. Yay! Or skeletons are gonna burn. Yeah. Skelly bobs. Skelly bobs are gonna burn. Yeet, yeet, yeet! Wait, I swear, there's something wrong. Oh, I just double tapped him. I went doot doot, and then he's dead. Wow. Yeet, 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 zeet, zeet. How do I literally just about to say, how do I kill a pig? But I figured it out. Guys, you wanna know where I need to go? to the top of Dragon Mountain. We're going to the top, to the top, to the top of Dragon Mountain. We're going to the top, to the top, to the top of Dragon Mountain. I need to take a break. One eternity later. Going to the top, to the top, to the top of Dragon Mountain. The top, the top, the top of Dragon Mountain. To the top, to the top, to the top of Dragon Mountain. The top to the... I'm lightheaded, guys. I'm actually lightheaded from going to the top of Dragon Mountain. We're going... No! We're going to the top, to the... Oh my gosh, I hate this right now. This is actually bad. To the top, to the top, to the top of Dragon Mountain. Top of Dragon Mountain. I'm just seeing how much time I have left in this video. To the top. Every time I mine, it sounds like a creeper is about to come over here and just blow me up. Blow me up and out of the water. Sorry, I'm a little excited. Trying to do let's try to do the yeet. Dude, it's so much easier on Xbox. You guys are probably asking, why did you play on Xbox then? I wanted to try PC. Hard. Snow! 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 We made it to the top, to the top, to the top of Dragon Mountain. A Dragon Mountain. We made it to the top, to the top, to the top of Dragon Mountain. No! Oh, oh, oh. This mine is colder. To heal me. Chicken!